Hey y'all, it's your girl Grace Breon with the Beyond Grace Show, and I'm here to do another unboxing of some hair. I'm going to tell you what I don't like about the hair and what I do like about the hair. And as always, I'ma always keep it real. So let's get into this unboxing. So the name of this hair is Sherry Hair, Sherry Hair off of Amazon. Now it comes in a box like this. The box says virgin hair with a little crown, 100% human hair. Not too appeasing, the packaging, not too appeasing. I've had better packaging, but hey, it got the job done. Now the shipping. The shipping was so fast. I can't even tell y'all how fast this shipping is. Well, let me tell you. It came, if it wasn't a holiday for Veterans Day, it would have came within literally 24 hours. And I did not have Prime or anything. I did not pay for 2-day shipping or anything. It delivered so fast. And it could be because Amazon is here in Atlanta. So that could be the reason why. But it shipped so fast. So fast shipping, like thumbs up Sherry Hair on your shipping. I don't know about the packaging, but the shipping was very on point. So I gotta give y'all kudos there. Okay, opening the box. Unboxing. So you guys, what I got in this box is three full bundles, a 3-part closure, and I'll open all of these too, and a weaving cap. So all of that came in the box. Okay, a 14-inch, a 16-inch, and an 18-inch. Okay, we're gonna open the 18-inch first. Okay, came with a net on it. Y'all, this hair is so like soft, like it does not smell. It smells like regular hair. It does not have like an odor to it. Like some hair can be so funky, like OMG. So this is the 18-inch bundle. 18-inch bundle. Oh, I love it, honey. 18-inch. The width, they're thick widths. Love it. Okay, you guys, so this is the 16-inch. Oh my gosh, this hair feels so like good, y'all. I'm not even lying. This hair is so silky. Like, you definitely can tell that it's like 100% like legit. Like, widths are thick. It's the 16, and then we have the 14-inch bundle. Ooh, I'm not even lying to y'all. Sherry hair. So far, so good. And I'm not really getting any shedding. But of course, I haven't cut the hair yet. So we'll see what it does when I have to cut the hair. The widths are super thick on all of the bundles. So I like that. Let's get into this closure. The closure is, I do believe, 4x4 closure. It's just a 3-part enclosure. And I think I'm going to enjoy this. I always get a free part closure or 1-part closures. This actually has 3 parts. So I'm interested to see how this will work. I'm gonna bleach the knots. I'm gonna do all of that. I am making a wig out of this hair, so I'm excited to make a wig with this 3-part closure. I've done frontals. I have done, like I said, 1-part closures, and I've done 3-part closures, but I've never did a 3-part closure. So I'm excited about that. Being able to just switch it how I want to switch it, depending on how I'm feeling. So I'm excited about all of that. I do kind of notice, have to give my little con, I do kind of notice that the ends are a little bit thin on the closure. But the bundle is very thick. So the closure, it feels so good, y'all. It feels so good. But it's a little bit thin at the bottom. Just a little bit. Okay, y'all. So now that I've went through what I got and what I feel about the hair so far, I'm going to tell you the price. And you probably are going to freak out when I tell you the price. I got 3 bundles and a closure for, get this, $68. I kid you not. The shipping was fast, okay? Even if this hair shedded or did what it did or was a bad batch of hair, which we will find out because I'm going to do a review. After I wear my wig for like 5 weeks, I'm going to do another review to let y'all know if the hair was really legit. But so far, Sherry hair, I got it for $68. So, I mean, like, who gets 3 bundles and a closure, 100% human hair, unprocessed virgin hair for $68? Yeah. But they have so many deals. They have up to 75% off, up to 69% off. You just gotta catch them. I will have their website linked below. Like I said, I will have their website linked below. Y'all go get you some bundles and stop paying $250 and plus, like I used to do, okay, for some bundles. This is the same quality, I kid you not. This is probably better than some of the quality of the $300 hair that I used to buy. It's so soft. Now, I said we will see how long it lasts, and I will let you know all of the deets. But $68, like, you can be spending that other money on something else. So, you know, your girl is going to always keep it real. Haven't got not one strand. I promise to God I haven't got one strand of hair shedding. So I'm excited about this hair. I'm excited. I may do a video. It's going to be a lot of recording if I try to do that. But I may do a video on my wig constructing with this hair. I may do it in maybe time lapse. But y'all stay tuned for that. Also, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. And also make sure you like, share, comment, whatever you want to do, child. This is a free spirit page. Like, you never know what you're gonna catch here, but I am gonna always keep it real. And yeah, so y'all, if you wonder about my eyelashes, they're not individuals. They are the Ardell magnetic lashes. They're magnets. They're magnets. All right, they are magnets. So this is just like a little bonus. All right, we're gonna pop that off. But my real eyelashes are pretty decent. And look, voila. It's so easy. So easy. Put this down here. I don't know if this gonna work out on camera with y'all, but we're gonna see. No, it didn't. I gotta concentrate. Anyways, I love y'all. Y'all take care. If you want more videos like this, make sure you let me know. Comment below. Any suggestions on my page. Have a wonderful night. Thank you.